Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing us a trick on how to put our image inside a cycle. I believe you have seen that before. You may be wondering how it is being done. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do that. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please enable to do so that whenever we drop a video, you'll be the first to be notified. So let's get back to today's tutorials. First, I'm going to click on this plus sign here and add image from gallery. Get my image gallery. I'm going to use this picture. Now this is my picture. And don't forget what we are trying to do here. We are trying to make our picture to appear in a circle, inside a cycle. So I'm going to use this cycle here. I'll click on this cycle. Have you seen it? Our right angle has changed to a cycle. I'm going to reduce it to my preferred size and press OK. Now our picture is in a cycle. Let me delete this. Our picture is in a cycle. Let me also change this background. Our picture is now in a cycle. Now the next thing to do is you go to stroke. You go to stroke, enable stroke, and increase the width of the line. Have you seen the width? Have you seen the width of the line? You can reduce and increase how you prefer a line size to be. Okay, you can easily change the color. You've seen it to whatever color you feel like using. Let me just use this. No, something that is sharp. Let's make use of this. So this is how you put your picture, let's say your image, in a cycle whenever you are doing your design. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we drop a video like this, you will be the first to be notified. See you in our next tutorial.